Travefy tutorial for beginners. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set up and use Travefy, a powerful platform that helps travel professionals create detailed itineraries, manage client communications, and streamline their workflow. Whether you're new to Travefy or looking to refresh your knowledge, this tutorial will provide you with a step-by-step walkthrough to get you started. The first thing you want to do once on Travefy.com, you're going to tap on Start Free Trial. From there, you'll be able to sign up using your email address and basic information. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on this dashboard, you could tap on New Trip. After selecting New Trip in the top left-hand corner, you can either select with itinerary, which you would create a layout, or with proposal. But before diving in, I'm going to be showing you a demo trip. So you're going to tap on demo trip right there. After you have selected demo trip, this is the layout. And it looks the same when you have selected with itinerary or proposal. After you have selected it, all you'll need to do now, you can see a cover image. To change the cover image, you're going to tap on edit. After selecting edit from the top navigation bar, you can tap on change cover image. Then you can choose to either upload your own cover image or you can select one of the demo cover images. So I can select one of the royalty-free cover images, better yet. So let's say I were to select this one, and you can also add the different events that will be taking place. So you can tap on new event right here, and you can choose to either add the flights and all of the different events step by step. And another thing that you can also do while planning your itinerary, you can select the different days. So you can select new day from the left-hand menu option and you can add in a new day. And then from there, you can add a new event for that particular day. And you can see a quick layout of how it would look. So for instance, for the first day, you can see that when the flight departs, as you can put in the flight details using this platform. So you can put in the flight details as you can see right there. Then they'll be arriving at the Los Angeles International Airport. You can also fill in that information. Then it will be private transport to the hotel. And then you can see the check-in details. And then you can give them information about the hotel that they'll be staying, as you can see right there. So that's basically how you'll be able to create a good looking itinerary. Then you can skip to the next day. And you can see how the next day will be planned out. So you can see it step by step. And you can see the different days right there. So that's how you'll be planning out your itinerary. So you'll simply be tapping on new day and you can put in the different events that will be happening on that particular day. If you would like to share this itinerary with them via PDF, you can do that. So you could select PDF in the top right hand corner. And from there, you can select what you would like to include in the PDF and you can tap on Create PDF. If you don't want to do that, you could tap on Send and you could get an itinerary link that you will provide them with, or you can choose to tap on Preview right here before doing all of that and you can see how it would look. Another thing that you can also do with this platform, let's say for instance we were to go back. Once back on this page, from here what I want you to do next, you could tap on Pages in the top left hand corner. After tapping on Pages, from here you can select the website layout that you would like to use. So let's say for example this one. We're going to tap on Apply. After you have tapped on Apply, from here you can customize your website. So you can select any section that you like to change, for example the background image. Then go over to the right hand column and you can change the image. You can change the text by selecting the text from the right hand column. You can also choose to add a button if you want. Then scrolling down, we could tap on this section. And again, you can edit this section. You can change the image and the information right there. So you'll be able to create a stunning travel website. So this will be an eye-catching website that you can use for potential customers and also recurring customers. So you can add in the different information right there for example, different destinations and so on. And you can also go over to the top right hand corner and from there you can add different elements. So you could select new elements and you can select the elements that you would like to add, as you can see there. Once you're finished doing this, if we were to tap right where you see untitled page in the top left hand corner, from there, if you would like to create a new page, you can do that. You can tap on create new page and you could add a new page. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on preview to see how it looks. And once it is to your liking, you'll tap on exit preview. Then you're going to tap on publish. And once you're on their paid plan, you'll be able to publish your website. So you can use this platform to also create a website. And if we were to tap on marketplace from the top left hand corner, after selecting marketplace, you'll be redirected to their marketplace and you can see different options right here. So you can see what this person created. You can see their itinerary as you can see right here. So you could choose to use this itinerary as an example as you can see right there. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.